everybody. Swing low, sweet chariot, come for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, come for to carry me home. I looked over Jordan, and what would I see? Coming for to carry me home. A band of angels coming after me, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Come on, Jimmy. I am sometimes up and I am sometimes down, coming for to carry me home. Still my soul feels heavily bound, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Well, if you get there before I do, coming for to carry me home. Tell all my friends I'm coming too, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, come for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Coming for to carry me home. All right.
Hey, we're back here at Carmine's Country Corner. Paul,
Carmine.
you sang that with so much feeling.
Thank you.
I mean, it's so early in the show to be doing that, but you did it.
It's Sunday, though.
You pulled it off. It is.
So I felt like it's kind of a spiritual sort of a thing.
Yeah, well,
Thought
it was great. You
fit.
got the family with you today?
Family's here tonight. I love it. Hi, Ollie.
Name them all.
Hi, Isla.
Hi,
We've got
Ollie.
Ollie.
Miss
We've got
you.
Isla.
Isla?
We got Will and Stephanie,
Yeah,
and we have the lovely Colleen.
absolutely. And of course, my daughter Kim, and a good friend. And what's this young lady's name with the picture?
Zoe?
Zoe? Did I say it
Zoe.
right? Well, welcome. We have a beautiful young lady here snapping pictures of the show today. So that's making us feel we got all dressed up.
Yeah.
Now let's talk about our guest artist.
Yes.
Big, tall, good-looking guy.
Mr. Alias Means.
I'm jealous already.
I'm wearing heels.
You know, Paul said, "Carmine, I got this friend. He's really good, and he's a good artist. But I didn't know he was going to be so tall and good-looking. I never would have hired him.
I didn't mention
Well, I
that,
didn't
so-
hire him. I never would have invited him to play. I don't hire anybody. Anyway,
I'll have the check for you after the show.
yeah, right. Perfect. Welcome to Carmine's Country Corner, buddy.
Thank you, Carmine.
Okay, so we're going to work you today pretty good.
I'm ready for it.
You know.
Government you.
Yo, okay, so here we are at Bob Smith Toyota. I got to say a couple of things real quick. Jimmy, give Carrie my love. I know her hand's doing better, so thank God for that. We're going to make this quick today. Dan, now watch this one. I'm at home at 3 o'clock this afternoon thinking about the show a little bit. Usually I get here about 4:30, and I think, I'm on the couch watching TV, and I think, did John Palmer say he had a gig today and wouldn't be able to make it in time? And I had the whole weekend. I never called the drummer. And we didn't have a drummer today. So I called Dan. And, of course, Dan said, yeah, I'm home and I'll be here. So, Dan, I'm telling you,
have a drummer.
you have helped us out so many times. Anyway, he's one of the main guys here in the Wild Country Band. So,
Thank you, Dan.
yeah, man. God bless him. Okay, so now let the show begin. So what do you got?
Let's do a George Jones number called "The Race Is On" in G. Should I just start it?
Yep, sure.
I feel tears welling up cold and deep inside that constant spray. And the stab of loneliness sharp and painful that I may never shake. But you might say that I was taking it hard when she wrote me off with a call. But don't you wager that I'll hide my sorrow while I might break right down and bawl. Well, the race is on and here comes pride up the backstretch. Heartaches are going to the inside. My tears are holding back. I'm trying not to fall. My heart's out and running to the scratch for another's sake. The race is on and it looks like heartache. And the winner loses all permanent. Today I ventured in love, never once suspected what the final result would be. How I lived in fear, waking up each morning, finding that she's gone from me. Taking pain in my heart, for the day was the one that I hated to face. Somebody new came up to win her, and I wound up in second place. Oh, well, the race is on, and here comes pride up the backstretch. Heartaches are going to the inside. My tears are holding back, trying not to fall. My heart's out and running, through the scratch for another's sake. The race is on, and it looks like heartaches, and the winner loses all. Y'all work it. Well, the race is on, and here comes pride at the backstretch. Heartaches are going to the inside. My tears are holding back, and trying not to fall. My heart's out and running through the scratch for another's sake. The race is on, and it looks like heartache, and the winner loses all. And the race is on, and it looks like heartache, and the winner loses all. That was fun.
So Paul said on the first part of that song with the little break is, and then we go, wait. He said I came in too soon.
Only because you asked me what happened.
I know, but
What happened?
I think you were right, because the second time I did it right. Huh?
You did it right.
Well, it's not bad. I did most of them, right?
Yeah.
What the hell?
I wasn't even going to point it
So,
out.
yeah,
I don't think
I didn't
anyone
make you look too bad, did I?
You didn't get it right. and
Well,
I
we
did
did
get it right.
that's-
You got it.
Do another one, bud.
Oh. Is Waylon Jennings up here? Waylon Jennings is
He's over there. He's
Alright,
kind of
let's
off
do
to the
it.
side tonight.
Yeah. You Asked Me To by Waylon Jennings. In
Love
C.
this song. What can you hear?
C.
See.
Should I just start it myself again? Just doing all these songs. Long ago and far away, my old common labor shoe, I'd turn the world off with your ways, just because you asked me to. Liking to no other fear. Simple love is simple true. There's no end to what I do, just because you asked me to. Let the world call me a fool, but if things are right with me and you, that's all that matters, and I'll do anything you ask me to. Well, knowing how much I love you, after all that I've been through, I'd turn and walk away from you, just because you asked me to. Let the world call me a fool, but if things are right with me and you, that's all that matters, and I'll do anything you ask me to. That's all that matters, and I'll do anything you ask me to.
Good job.
Thanks.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
I think Waylon say something.
Oh,
You're right, you did.
Come for me. I gotta tune up.
I was going to look around here.
You too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, where did you get that gorgeous jacket?
Well, it's interesting you should ask that question, Mr. Jimmy. Jimmy asked, "Where did I get this gorgeous jacket?" And that's a question Carmen asked me when I wore it the other day, and the answer is, I got it from Alias. Alias gave me this beautiful jacket, and it certainly improved my appearance. Thank you, Alias.
You're very welcome. It works for you, man.
It does work.
It also improved the show. You know, because
That's right. Because
it is called show business, so it's how you look too.
when
Has something to do with it.
we're looking good, we can get away with quite a few bad notes.
Oh, absolutely. I've been doing it most of my life.
I wear this to Starbucks in the morning, so I don't know about you
love it. I
guys.
think it's good. I'll tell you what. I'm going to do one more, then you.
Okay.
Do one more, Elliot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a ballad by Jim Reeves called "He'll Have to Go." It's a sad song. Listen in on the lyrics if you want to do a little crying in that beat. Put your sweet lips a little closer to the phone. Let's pretend that we're together all alone. I'll tell the man to turn the jukebox way down low. And you can tell your friend there with you, he'll have to go. You can't say the words I wanna hear when you're with another man. If you love me, answer yes or no. Darling, I will understand. Just put your sweet lips a little closer to the phone. Let's pretend that we're together all alone. I'll tell the man to turn the jukebox way down low. And you can tell your friend there with you, he'll have to go. Whisper to me, tell me, do you love me true? Or are you holding it the way I used to hold you? Though love is blind, make up your mind, I've got to know. Should I hang up, or will you tell him he'll have to go? When you're with another man, if you love me, answer yes or no. Darling, I will understand. Just put your sweet lips a little closer to the phone. Let's pretend that we're together all alone. Tell the man to turn the jukebox way down low. And you can tell your friend there with you, he'll have to go. Yes, you can tell your friend there with you, have to go. Endings are always fun.
Hey, the kids like that, I think. Is one of them sleeping already? I hope nobody out in the audience out there, watching is sleeping while we're playing. Kids can do that. They can get away with that kind of stuff. Okay, I thought you were there, but you're not. Okay. talk
do
to
that
him.
sometimes.
It's okay.
Just
You get
appear
to-
like a flat.
You get the duck when you want to. It's okay. It's just show business. Paul,
Yes.
I know somebody's out of tune. I keep checking mine, and I don't know. I think we're all good now, though. Dan, love you.
Dan.
Here we are at Bob Smith Show. We're having a wonderful time. And Jimmy, thank you. You're doing a great job. Elias, so nice to meet you, sir. You're doing a great job. We're gonna do more of this. Now that we've run across each other's paths, we're gonna become buddies. Hey, Will, how you doing out there? You still flying around? God bless you. Good for you. And how you doing, sweetie? The kids getting big? Oh, she's so cute.
All right.
What do you got?
Let's do the Freeborn Man. Key of
Let's do it.
G. G gosh. This is in the key of gosh.
Golly gee.
Vampin' G. 1, 2, 1, 3. Well, I was born in the Southwest 20-some odd years ago. Ran away for the first time when I was 4 years old. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. But when I'm in the highway, ever put my back with every more railroad track. I pick oranges down in Florida. I pick cotton in Alabama. I pick walnuts up in Oregon. I pick guitar when I can. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Oh, when I'm the highway, ever hold my back with a railroad track. Hey, Jim. I got a gal in Cincinnati. I got a woman in San Antonio. Always love the girl next door, but any place is home. I'm a freeborn. My home is on my back. Oh, well, I've been every inch highway. Everything I back with them on a railway track. Oh, well, I got this worn out guitar. You may not like the song, you may not like the way I talk, but you love the way I'm gone. I'm a freeloader. My home is on my back. I know every inch highway, every foot back, wherever my railroad track. Well, I know every inch highway, every foot back, wherever my railroad track. All
Yeah,
right.
man, nice little groove. Man, the kids were out there dancing.
We got some dancers.
I love that.
Dancers in the
God,
house.
they've
That's
already.
greasy, Paul.
I think they got.
That's greasy.
They must have the music in there because of you.
Well, I
You know, you might have passed something on there.
I like it. That's good.
None of my kids dance. They don't care. Actually, they do care. They're good kids. They're just a little older.
The challenge is I want to teach my cat how to dance.
Well,
That
good
would,
luck.
now we're making money, right?
Yeah, well, get them on the show, please. We could use it. Okay, man, you're back up there.
Ready?
Yeah.
Looking around me, I'm seeing Johnny Cash. How about
Is Cash there?
he's there?
Yeah, there he is.
How about Big River and
Yes,
E?
sir.
Big
Yes,
River
sir.
and E?
TV?
Yeah.
You got it.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Well, I taught the weeping willow how to cry, cry, cry. And I showed the clouds how to cover up a clear blue sky. But the tears I shed for that woman, they're gonna flood you, Big River. And I'm gonna sit right here until I die. Well, I met her accidentally in St. Paul, Minnesota. And she tore me up every time I heard her drawl, southern drawl. Well, I heard the stream went back down the street, aborting in Davenport. And I'll follow you, Big River, when you call. Well, she took me on down to St. Louis, later on down the river. The freighter said she's been here, but she's gone, boy, she's gone. Well, I found her trail in Memphis, but she just walked up the bluff. She raised a few eyebrows and went on down alone. Valley down by Baton Rouge, a river queen, roll it on. Take that woman on down to New Orleans, to New Orleans. Oh Lord, I've had enough. I left my blues down in the Gulf. She loves you, Big River, more than me. Well, I taught the weeping willow how to cry, cry, cry. And I showed the clouds how to cover up a clear blue sky. But the tears I shed for that woman, they're gonna flood you, Big River. And I'm gonna sit right here until I die. And I'm gonna sit right here until I die.
Okay, so I kind of wanted to keep playing it, so we just did. It was great.
I like it.
You got right in there. You never missed a beat. I love you. Great job. Do it. Do another one. Do you mind if I work you a little bit? Because we only got an hour, and I really like what you do. This is great. Oh, the baby. Maybe she didn't like the song.
Man, we were doing great right up till then, right?
How do you like that? Make one little mistake, the whole place goes crazy.
Everybody starts crying.
Yeah, I mean, we love you,
I
man.
was all right for a while. Oh,
You guys
cry. I was crying.
What do we got?
Help me make it through the night.
Let's do it. What key?
Yes. And C.
See?
The Chris Christopherson tune. Help me make it through the night.
What's the tempo?
It's Chris Christopherson.
Take the ribbon from your hair. Shake it loose and let it fall. It's soft against my skin, like the shadows on the wall. Come and lay down by my side till the early morning light. All I'm asking is your time. Help me make it through the night. I don't care who's right or wrong. I don't try to understand. Let the devil take tomorrow, 'cause tonight I need a friend. Yesterday is dead and gone, and tomorrow's out of sight. All I'm asking is your time. Help me make it through the night. I don't care who's right or wrong. I don't try to understand. Let the devil take tomorrow, 'cause tonight I need a friend. Yesterday is dead and gone, and tomorrow's out of sight. All I'm asking is your time. Help me make it through the night. All I'm asking is your time. Help me make it through the night.
Gee, that's a great song.
How are the kids doing? Oh, I like that.
What was that lady's name that did it? Sammy Smith?
Sammy Smith.
She was great. Al Bruno, I think, played with her for quite a while.
Surprised.
Yeah, that was a great song. She sang it. So I don't know what other hits she ever had, but that was a good one. And of course, Chris Christopherson. How can you go wrong with one of his songs? Anyway, all right, Paul.
Okay. Let's do Whiskey Benton Hellbound.
I love that song.
We got a Hank Jr. song here. We don't have his picture up here, but maybe you can find one of him one of these days.
I will.
He'd
Yeah,
be a good
I
one.
gotta get more. I've got to get some different pictures up.
I mean,
Absolutely.
Hank and
I gotta
Waylon, they
add
kind
to
of,
it.
Hank Jr. and Waylon are kind of like
Pretty much the same.
same thing.
Okay, pretty close.
Same thing.
Yeah, yeah. They both got beards. Yeah.
In the key of G. 151. 1, 2, 1. I got a good woman at home who thinks I can do no wrong. Sometimes, Lord, she just ain't always around. And don't you know that's when I fall? I can't help myself, baby. I get a whiskey band and hellbound. Play me a song about a rambling man. Put a cold one in my hand. 'Cause you know I like to get drunk and hear the country sound. Don't you play your cheating heart, that would tear me all apart. And I get a whiskey band and hellbound. Sure enough, around closing time, I'm stoned right out of my mind, and I end up with some honky-tonk special I found. Just as sure as the morning sun comes, I'm thinking about my sweet baby at home. Well, I need to get a whiskey band and hellbound. Play a song about a rambling man. Put old Jim Beam in my hand. 'Cause you know I love to get high and hear the guitar sound. Don't you play, I'm so lonesome I could cry. I get all up inside, and I get a whiskey band and hellbound. Come on. by and hear the country sound. Oh, don't you play out so low so I could cry. I get all balled up inside, and I get risky bent and hellbound. You know, Hank's songs always make me feel low down.
That's the end of the song.
Yeah, man.
On that one high note. That's how you end this.
Song almost ended for me before it ended.
Three and
Something happened.
it was almost over before it was over. Sounds like one of our relations. Okay. It was over before it was over. All right, do another one.
All right. Wash my hands in muddy water.
Yes, man.
Good song.
And eat. You got it. Well, I was born in Macon, Georgia. They kept my daddy in the Macon jail. Well, he told me, if you keep your hands clean, you won't hear them bloodhounds on your trail. Well, I fell in with a bad companion. I robbed a man over Tennessee. They called me way up in Nashville, yeah. Well, they locked the door and threw away the key. You know what I did? I washed my hands in muddy water. I washed my hands, oh, but they didn't come clean. I tried to do like my daddy told me, yeah, but I must have washed my hands in the muddy street. Well, I asked the judge, well, when's my time up? He said, son, oh, you know we won't forget. If you try and keep your hands clean, we just might make a good man of you yet. Well, I couldn't wait to get my time up. I broke out of Nashville jail. I just crossed the state line to Georgia again. You can hear them bloodhounds on my trail. I wash my hands in muddy water. I wash my hands, oh, but they didn't come clean. I tried to do like my daddy told me, but I must have washed my hands in the muddy stream. Well, I wash my hands in muddy water. I wash my hands, oh, but they didn't come clean. I tried to do like my daddy told me, yeah, but I must have washed my hands in the muddy stream. But I must have washed my hands in the muddy stream.
Just the way we rehearsed it, folks. Hey, is there anybody out there watching this week? Give me just one name.
John Beelan.
Oh, John, Johnny,
John.
you need to come down and do the show with us and have some fun. That'd be great. John Beelans, I met him so many years ago. He's had quite a career. He could go on. He's got great stories. He traveled with the biggest and the best. And he's a great guitar player and other instruments, I'm sure, banjo, bass, whatever he wants to do. And a good songwriter. John, we love you. God, we were just young guys when we met. Early 20s, I think it was. Anyway, come on down and do the show. Call me and we'll book it. We'll have fun. Come on, Johnny. Okay, who else?
Roy Simonson.
Okay, now
Roy, my buddy Frog.
Yes, Frog's a good guy. However, I don't know anything about his career or where he's been or anything he's done. So, Roy, you're not going to get to do the show, but we love you. Okay. How's that for being honest? No, I'm just kidding. Roy's a great guy. He used to come down to Viva Cantina a lot. Yeah, he did. And you know what? He's a good guitar player. You know what? On the second thought, come down and we'll do the show sometime with you. That'll be fun. Come on down, boy. Anybody else?
Charlie and Carrie.
Oh, Carrie, of course, my beautiful, beautiful daughter-in-law, and my son, Charlie. Charlie, I love you. Talked to you just I think it was yesterday. And, hey, did you get a picture of Charlie's cup right there? Now, anybody likes to play chess, look up Charlie Sardo and Gaming on Facebook, and you're going to be amazed at what you see. So good luck with all of that, Charlie. Anybody else?
Carrie.
Oh, of course. Well, if she's not here, she's singing with us at home on the computer. They're singing harmonies and having fun with that. So that's great. Anything else? That's all we got is 6 people. Well, that's not bad now. Well, a lot of people watch and don't write in, and I don't blame them. But anyway, okay, so who's doing what? Paul?
I got a slow one here. I haven't done a slow one tonight, have I? I don't think so.
I don't think so.
I'm doing.
I've been waiting for it.
Yeah.
I think we've only done one.
Let's do The Image of Me in the key of G.
Another great song. Okay. I might
All right,
sit
here's
down
a
for this
little classic here. What,
What do you got?
you have something to tell us? Oh, okay. 151 in G. It's a waltz. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2. Well, I know she's the life of the party, and without her, things here would die. Oh, but don't you be fooled by her laughter. She's had her hard times. She knows how to cry. Now she drinks and she talks just a little too loud. And with her pride gone, she tags along with any old crowd. Well, I know I'm to blame, and I feel so ashamed that I made her the image of me. Well, I met her in a little country town. She was simple and old-fashioned some ways, but she loved me till I dragged her down. Then she just gave up and drifted away. Now she drinks and she talks just a little too loud, and with her pride gone, she tags along with any old crowd. Well, I know I'm to blame, and I feel so ashamed that I made her the image of me. Now she drinks and she talks just a little too loud, and with her pride gone, she tags along with any old crowd. Well, I know I'm to blame, and I feel so ashamed that I made her the image of me. Yes, I know I'm to blame, and I feel so ashamed that I made her the image of me.
Okay.
You nailed it.
It's country.
How much time we got?
That ain't country. You can kiss mine. Yeah, man.
Huh?
7 minutes.
7 minutes.
Lucky 7 minutes.
God, we've only been playing 6 minutes.
Time flies when you are having
And
fun.
we are having fun. Yeah, 7 minutes. They ain't lying, folks. Okay, let's do something. Illis, you're on.
You do a Chuck Berry or
Do it.
Yeah. Do whatever you want to do.
Promised Land?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, I love it.
Promised Land in A?
Perfect.
Like that? Should I just start it?
Yep.
Well, I left my home in Norfolk, Virginia, California on my mind. Straddled that Greyhound road and been to Raleigh and all across Caroline. Well, I had motor trouble, I turned into a struggle halfway across Alabama. And that mountain broke down and left us all stranded in downtown Birmingham. Right away I bought me a through train ticket right across Mississippi. And I was on that midnight flyer out of Birmingham, smoking into New Orleans. Well, somebody help me get out of Louisiana, just help me get to Houston town. There are people there who care a little about me and they want to put the boy down. Oh, sure enough, boy, they bought me a silk super nugget in my hand. And I woke up high over Albuquerque on a jet to the promised land. I'm working on a T-bone steak on the cop, flying over to the Golden State. When the pilot told us in 13 minutes he would set us at the terminal gate. Well, swing low, Cherry, come down easy, taxi to the terminal zone. to dip cool your wings and let me make it to the telephone. Los Angeles, Captain Norfolk, Virginia, Tidewater 41009. Well, tell the folks back home this is a promised land calling and the poor boys on the line. When the pilot told us in 13 minutes he would set us at the terminal gate. The swing low chariot comes down easy, taxi to the terminal zone. A coach arranged to just pull your wings and let me make it to the telephone. Los Angeles, Captain Norfolk, Virginia, Tidewater 41009. Tell the folks back home this is the promised land calling and the poor boys on the line. Well, tell the folks back home this is the promised land calling and the poor boys on the line.
So if you see Paul and I kind of, we don't usually do that. But we got a bunch of little beautiful kids out here dancing, so we're dancing with them.
Yeah.
They're getting into the music.
Yeah.
That's great. Love you. Okay, what do we got? Time for one more? Should we let him close it out?
Sure. You want to do...
Ellis, I want to thank you.
want to do Old 97?
Sure.
Isn't that on the list?
It is on the list.
I think it's a good one.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it.
So you want to tell them what happens?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm going to tell him what happens. So here's what's going to happen. Okay, wait. We got to fill this guy in. This is part of the rehearsal we missed. Hi. I got a little beautiful little baby here pointing at me. I love that. Anyway, so you're going to do the song, and that's okay. And then at the end of the song, we'll kind of cue you. Like when the song's over, you back up, but everybody keeps playing. So we just finish. And then I get up and I say goodnight to everybody, and then they turn us off. Okay, so that's it. Now everybody knows what we're doing. Yeah, until they tell us to shut up.
This is behind the scenes stuff that you don't see on every show.
We are letting you
letting
into our home, into our private,
show business.
private side of our music
This
stuff.
is how it's done, and on the big stage and in the big time and on the big shows. They do it just like this, but you don't get to see it. But here, you get to see it.
I'll do what I can.
You got it. See is good.
Started?
Yeah, go ahead and turn it.
Well, they gave him his orders in Monroe, Virginia. Said, Steve, you're way behind time. This is not 38, this is old 97. Put her into Spencer on time. And then he turned around and said to his black greasy fireman, shovel on a little more coal. For when we cross that wide old mountain, watch old 97 roll. Well, it's a mighty long way from Lynchburg to Danville on a line on a 3-mile grade. It was on that grade where he lost his airplane. You see what a jump he made. 'cause he was going down the grade, making 90 miles an hour. The whistle broke into a scream. He was found in the wreck with his hand on the throttle, scalded to death by the steam. So all you ladies, you better take a warning from this time on and learn. Never speak harsh words to your true loving husband. He may leave you and never return. All right.
Well, folks, another hour just flew by for me. I don't know why I'm playing. I should be talking. Anyway, we're here at Bob's Cemetery Order. I want to thank all these beautiful people for showing up. Paul's family, we love you. So good to see those beautiful little babies' faces. Kim, thank you. Great job. You, great job. And Chloe, did I say it right? Chloe, I almost wanted to bring you up and introduce you, but I didn't. Anyway, we love you and thank you. Thank you for coming up and taking pictures of us. Okay.
It's fun out here.
Alias, we're gonna have you up soon. Again, all right, brother? How about a hand for him? He did a great job. Just jumped in there and did the show, and it was wonderful. Okay, we're out of here, folks. God bless y'all.
Thank you.